Mexicano taxi again today, guys. We're headed up the mountain. El Tigre, that's my place there, that building. So I'm with Alma and her husband, Sergio's aunt and uncle. And we're headed up the montaña. Should be good. Mama locked the gate. Lock the gate. Open the gate. Going in. Lock it. Going in. See. Security. Security, Mama. Security.
Aprender inglés.
My Espanol not so good. Okay, muchachos, let's go. We're on an adventure up a mountain. Look at this. Look at this. Isn't this wonderful? Smell the pine. Oh, the smell. I love it. Love the smell. Oh, yeah. Wow. What an adventure we're on today, guys. Look at it. The colors in the dead leaves. Beautiful. Oh, this is wonderful. This is pretty steep here, guys. Oh, he's spinning. Put her in 4x4. Oh, we hit a piece of wood. Oh, it's pretty good traction. Good traction, eh? Wow, this is awesome. How's this for adventure travel, amigos? Going up a mountain, standing in the back of a truck. Okay, I need two hands here. It's getting steep. Up we go. Oh yes. A duck from the branches. This is wonderful. Look at this place. Awesome. Up the mountain. Up the montaña we go. El Tigre. The gate, guys. Security. Security. Mama security.
Now this starts the property over here. See how it looks?
Okay, the property starts here. Look at this tree. Oh yeah. Look at the trees. Beautiful natural clouds today. So we went up, up, up. Now we're going down a bit. Oh yeah. I'm gonna close the gates. And oh, we got dogs. We got puppy dogs. Oh yeah, here come the woof, woof, woof. Yeah. Hey puppies. Hey amigos. Hey amigos. Hello. Oh yeah, there's the babies, eh? There's the babies. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Hey yeah. I'm happy to see him. I'm happy to see Mama. Okay, these dogs are just like rabbits. I seen this little guy run right up the side of the mountain. Hey, look at this. Look at this, amigos. Look at this. Nice little cabin. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. See the water tank on top of the mountain. Wow. Hello, amigos. Just putting the truck in 4x4 now. 4x4.
4x4, okay?
We need the 4x4. Andale. Oh, he's backing up. Is he taking a run at this or what? Brace myself. Brace myself. Oh, there's another. He's checking me out. He's checking me out. He looks like Luna. He looks just like Luna. Hey, pup. Hey, muchacho. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Hiya. Hiya, handsome. Hola. Hola. Oh, what a home for these dogs. Paradise. Oh, this is pretty steep, guys. He's just crawling up in four-wheel drive low. I think we got a ways to go yet. Okay, we're coming up to some farmland on top of the mountain, guys. Those are fruit trees. There's another barn or something shed there, and some cacti. There's another water tank. Wow, it's beautiful. Beautiful. This must be their place. Oh, I'm not sure. Beautiful, man. Look at that pine tree. Beautiful. Those dogs run like deer through the woods, I'll tell you. I couldn't believe that the two of them jumped up the side of the mountain like mountain goats. Look at the little cacti there. Oh, so this is their place. Okay. This is the place. Wonderful. This is the main cabin. Here's some vertical wood, logs. Nice. Very rustic. Very rustic. Excellent. Good spot to fly the drone, guys. That's what we come up to do. Fly the drone and check the area out. So this is a medicine weed. It looks like a weed, like a thistle almost. It almost looks like Scottish thistle. Yeah.
Carlos Santo.
Carlos Santo?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Interesting. This cures the cancer, she says. She says they cure the cancer. See?
Riñones.
Ah. Good for your kidneys?
Sí, cuica.
Or
Ven
make-
por allá, ven por allá, viejo.
See? She's like medicine woman, eh? Mama does like artwork. This is a sample of her artwork. She did this many years ago. She puts cement in the trees. She doesn't carve the trees. She just puts cement in it. She doesn't carve it. How many years ago did she make the bottle in the ground?
Around 2 years, but the dogs, lay down. So supposed to be straight,
Oh yeah?
The dogs, pendejos.
That's, oh yeah. That grows inside the bottle. What's the plant called? I don't know. Here's the wishing well.
How say it?
Oh, you saying Spaniel?
Pozo de deseos.
Also the deseos.
Yeah, I
The
decide.
wishing well, we say.
The wishing well?
See,
Yeah, it's what I think.
the wishing well. And the bed, the garden bed.
So it's water.
The wishing well, yes. See.
I don't know water.
See. Interesting cactus. Look at that. Beautiful. See, some corn. Some corn.
Abre el baño porque se caga, si no pasó algo.
Oh, look at the chair. Sit, sit, sit.
Hey, people,
See. Nice.
relax.
That's a place to relax, eh? Mama with her puppies. Yes. Overlooking the garden, eh? The vista, Mama. Yes.
O sea, para.
It's good tree energy.
Right? Ah, yeah.
The good tree energy.
Hasta allá.
No tanto.
And look at the vista. The vista. See? Look at the vista.
Brian, you have to try like this.
Yeah.
Feel like King.
Yes.
King George.
Yes.
Aquí hay que tumbar los pinos para la vista. Aquí más a mí que todo se veía, pero mira aquí se juntaron.
Yeah, you can see better view better now that it says high, you know.
Todo se ve bien bonito.
Y esos solitos nacieron, ¿no?
Ahí está tumbado. Igual que Cindy.
Ay, is nice.
Pero así. Así relax.
You put a picture, there's them I put. I use, you want to take the picture
Dile
or
que atrás,
video?
así hacia arriba la cabeza.
Just point it out.
Manos, pies.
Video?
Oh, it's on video. It's
Ay. Gringo.
Ah.
Enlazadas.
Peace.
Perfecto.